Hello traders, you welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we dive in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am taking a look at the Confluence Detector EA for MT5. This one is listed on the MQL5 marketplace from developer Saiful Izam bin Hassan, and it is priced at 259.99 US dollars with version 1.0 and 20 activations. On the marketplace page, the description positions it as an institutional grade market scanner that looks for high probability zones where multiple technical concepts overlap. All right. It mentions things like Fibonacci retracement, previous day highs and lows, session VWAP, and order blocks. The EA scans multiple time frames at once, assigns weight to different market structures, and scores zones of interest. Okay, so when a zone hits a high enough score, it can alert you or take trades automatically with built-in risk management. It highlights features like multi-factor confluence from several concepts, multi-time frame analysis up to 3 time frames, advanced risk and profit management, including percentage based sizing, scale outs, trailing stops, and break even. Okay. There is also prop firm protection with daily loss and profit limits, broker defenses like virtual stops, slippage monitoring, and an economic news filter. Moving into the settings, there are quite a few inputs organized around risk management, dynamic ATR stops, trade pacing, trade logic, advanced options, circuit breakers, trading sessions, profit protection, prop firm settings, broker defenses, and confluence factor weights. You can enable auto trading, choose percentage risk or fixed lots, set fixed or ATR based stops and takes, max spread, magic number, and more. There are options for validator mode, calibration trades, avoiding rollover, and customizable weights for Fibonacci, previous day levels, VWAP, and order blocks. You can also set minimum confluence scores and multi-time frame setups with specific symbols and time frames. Now, one thing that stands out is the flexibility in risk controls and the various protections which could be useful depending on your trading style and account type. Settings like the news filter and daily limits might help with consistency and compliance if you are trading under prop rules, while virtual stop loss and take profits could offer some protection against certain broker behaviors. Of course, how these actually perform will depend on your optimization, broker conditions, and market environment. Now, let us look at the back testing that I ran. All right, let me just proceed to my strategy tester right away. Okay, so reviewing the historical testing here on MT5, we can see how the EA behaved over the tested period. All right, so I conducted this test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, over the past roughly 6.5 weeks, 6 months and 3 weeks. And I can see that the total net profit was negative from an initial deposit of $10,000. Okay, so the results that we can see here are not impressive at all. From the historical chart activity, trades seem to appear around areas where multiple factors aligned. Trades seem to appear around areas where multiple factors align based on the confluence logic. You can observe the entry timing relative to candle closes in some cases, and how positions were managed with stops, takes, or trailing. Now, trade frequency and duration give a sense of its activity level on the symbols and time frames used. But then let's just look at the key metrics, right? Instead of just talking about theory. Okay, so we can see that the profit factor was very low, 0.19. Of course, the gross loss was way bigger than the gross profit. So, of course, it's not surprising to see this profit factor. And then the drawdown was substantial. Equity drawdown was 10.6%. The balance drawdown maximal in both cases. Balance drawdown was 10.55%. Okay, and also looking at the win rate, from 18 total trades taken, only 9 were profitable, giving us a 50% win rate. A 50% win rate. Okay, and also the average profit was $27.02, while the average loss was $144.29. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is also bad. Okay, the average risk to reward ratio is bad. And if we look at the equity curve, the equity and balance curve, it's not impressive at all. It's not interesting. Okay, the balance was kind of flat here. Equity was below balance, at a significant time. And, you know, it just was not impressive. It was as if from the start of the test, it just started declining. We didn't even really have, much of a floating profit, right? So it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and outcomes can vary significantly based on your risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spread, slippage, and changing market conditions. So I'll still recommend running your own longer term testing across different periods to get a broader picture. Overall, the Confluence Detector EA brings a multi-layered approach focused on confluence zones with solid risk tools and filters. It may appeal to traders who like scanner-style systems that emphasize alignment across time frames and factors, especially those using MT5 and interested in prop firm compatible features or detailed risk controls. That said, no expert advisor is suitable for everyone. Success depends heavily on proper setup, ongoing monitoring, forward testing on demo, and how it fits your personal risk tolerance and trading goals. So I encourage you to test it thoroughly yourself, review the settings in detail, and only consider live trading once you're comfortable with its behavior in your environment. So if you have any questions or want me to dive deeper into any part, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.